Pygmy marmosets are two species of small New World monkeys in the genus Cebuella. They are native to rainforests of the western Amazon basin in South America. These primates are notable for being the smallest monkeys in the world. The Pygmy marmoset is a small species of monkey that is known for its vibrant and distinctive fur colors. These tiny primates typically have a coloration that includes various shades of brown, gray, and black. The base color of their fur is usually a mixture of light brown or gray, with darker shades on the back, head, and limbs. What makes the Pygmy marmoset particularly interesting is the presence of color accents on its body. They often have dark rings around their eyes, giving them a masked appearance. Additionally, they have characteristic ear tufts that are white or pale cream in color. These tufts contrast with the rest of their fur and provide an eye-catching feature. The Pygmy marmoset holds the title for being the smallest monkey species in the world. On average, they measure about 12 to 15 centimeters in length, excluding the tail. Their tails are typically longer than their bodies and can measure between 15 to 20 centimeters. In terms of weight, Pygmy marmosets are incredibly light. They weigh around 85 to 140 grams on average. To put it in perspective, they weigh about as much as a bar of chocolate or a small apple. These tiny primates have adapted to their small size by having elongated fingers and specialized teeth that allow them to climb trees and feed on gum, sap, and insects. Their diminutive size helps them navigate through the forest canopy, searching for food and avoiding predators. Pygmy marmosets are agile and quick in their movements, allowing them to navigate through the forest canopy with ease. While there is limited information available on their exact speed, they are known for their impressive leaping abilities and rapid climbing skills. Pygmy marmosets use their long fingers and specialized claws to grasp onto branches and propel themselves from tree to tree. They can make leaps of up to 5 meters in distance. Their small size and lightweight nature contribute to their agility, allowing them to move swiftly and effortlessly through the treetops. In addition to their leaping and climbing skills, Pygmy marmosets also possess a high level of dexterity. They can cling to vertical surfaces, including tree trunks, and move in any direction, making them highly maneuverable in their arboreal habitat. Pygmy marmosets communicate using a variety of vocalizations. Despite their small size, they produce a surprisingly wide range of sounds. Pygmy marmosets emit high-pitched trilling sounds, which are often used for communication within their social group. These trills can serve as contact calls to maintain group cohesion or to communicate their location to other members. When alarmed or threatened, Pygmy marmosets may produce rapid chattering sounds. These vocalizations are often accompanied by physical displays, such as raising their manes and displaying their teeth. Pygmy marmosets may emit whining sounds when they are distressed or in situations of conflict or aggression. These vocalizations can be used as a form of protest or to express discomfort. They also engage in purring vocalizations, which are typically associated with contentment and relaxation. Purring is often observed during grooming sessions or when they are in a relaxed state. Pygmy marmosets can produce high-pitched squeaking sounds, especially during interactions with their offspring or when seeking attention from other group members. Pygmy marmosets are highly social animals. They live in small family groups consisting of an adult breeding pair and their offspring. These family groups, also known as troops, typically consist of 2 to 9 individuals. Social interaction is essential for pygmy marmosets, and they engage in various behaviors to maintain social bonds and communicate with each other. Pygmy marmosets have a relatively long lifespan compared to their small size. In the wild, their average lifespan is around 10 to 12 years. In captivity, where they are protected from many of the challenges they face in the wild, pygmy marmosets can live up to 15 years or more. Pygmy marmosets are omnivorous animals with a varied diet. Pygmy marmosets have specialized teeth and elongated fingers that allow them to access and feed on tree sap and gum. They use their sharp incisor teeth to create holes in tree bark, and then they lick the oozing sap or gum with their tongues. This is an important and primary food source for them. Pygmy marmosets are skilled insectivores and actively hunt for small invertebrates, including insects, spiders, and other arthropods. They forage for these prey items by carefully examining tree bark and foliage or by gleaning them from leaves and branches. Pygmy marmosets supplement their diet with ripe fruits, flowers, and nectar. They consume a variety of fruits, including berries and small fruits, which provide additional nutrients and energy. They are known to feed on nectar from flowers. They have a specialized brush-like tongue that allows them to lap up the nectar from deep within flowers. Pygmy marmosets have a unique breeding pattern known as cooperative breeding. Cooperative breeding refers to a social system in which individuals other than the breeding pair, often older siblings, or non-breeding adults, assist in raising the offspring. In pygmy marmoset troops, there is typically one dominant breeding pair, consisting of an adult male and an adult female. They are the primary breeders and are responsible for producing offspring. The female typically gives birth to twins, although single births or occasionally triplets can occur. Other members of the group, including older siblings from previous litters or non-breeding adults, actively participate in caring for the young. They help with carrying, grooming, and providing food for the infants. This cooperative behavior is beneficial for the survival and development of the offspring and allows the breeding pair to have additional support in raising their young. Cooperative breeding also plays a role in maintaining social cohesion within the group. It helps strengthen the bonds between group members and ensures the well-being of the entire troop. The involvement of other group members in the care of offspring is a significant aspect of pygmy marmoset breeding patterns, and it sets them apart from many other primate species. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.